non-recyclables are not mixed in. The new program will be One day is going to dominate the news story of 2020. We do have a number of changes in school schedules for today.
Dang it. Well.
Closed. On with you.
Time to prime this son. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Just frozen ass ground. Beautiful morning to get decent fuel over here. I gotta change my fuel filter today. I don't know why this shit never happened before, but all of a sudden, it gets 20 degrees. Everything's freezing. Start two. Dogs. Grab my phone and just hop in real quick. I'm gonna just shove the hood. I'm gonna take it for a drive real quick. Hey, can we drive in on this waterway and quad out from there, or do we have to quad from the edge?
I mean, it's easy to quad from the edge, probably.
Okay.
We will just go right here and quad up to the other side of the waterway.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
Okay, we do.
Oh, she is dead in the water this time. That is not what you want. Oh, she's like dead this time. Like there's no bringing her back. We don't got any lights on the dash. Time to be a mechanic.
If we can't get the quad started, we're just gonna drive down the waterway and then walk it out from right there. So, how's it looking, Mechanic Colby?
Looking like we're gonna need to push this quad back to the edge of the field and then push it into the trailer once we're done setting up.
Okay.
How's that sound? On the bright side, nobody's gonna steal it.
Good morning. We just got out here. The quad took a shit on us. I'm going into this field side unseen, but my buddy Colby over here has seen it last night, and Ben's seen it. So I'd say there's a lot of geese in here, about 60-40 with the majority whites. We're gonna mainly be targeting the darks for obvious reasons, and hopefully we'll smash them up.
Talk to me about packing in.
I don't know what there is to say about packing in. It's not my favorite thing to do, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Okay, here we go. It's supposed to be straight south. As you can see at noon, it's going to be a little stronger. It's supposed to be 14 then. Right now it's 7, but I think it's going to pick up a little early. It's supposed to have about 12 miles an hour at 10 a.m. These birds usually fly pretty early. It's not too cold this morning, so the roost is back to the southwest of us. We got a south wind, so they shouldn't short stop us. They should push all the way up to the field. Hopefully come over our right shoulder here, hit a hook over the tree line. Oh man, that was a nice little brisk morning walk.
I think we leave a lot of silhouettes out front, and we take those socks and just like make a line right in front of us and just go wide with them, like a big, like a feed line, you know, like they're all kind of bunching up right here, and then loosen it out with the silhouettes. So we're just making a few little adjustments here, pushing some of the socks down. It's getting colder as the morning moves on. It is shooting time, but I expect these birds to sit for a little bit. But when they do start flying, it should be pretty fast and furious. So, yep. Shoot him on the right, you guys. Let's move those. They were wanting to finish on those. That was dirty though. Yep. Here, Ro.
Good boy, Ro.
Here, buddy. Heel.
Do you see it?
Hey, back. Hey, lay down, Ro. Down. Good boy. It might have something to do with our shadows right now. The sun's still low. Oh boy. Hopefully that sun gets up a little bit higher here. We got a big wad.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure there's a few darks in there.
Guaranteed.
Look at the snows up top. Holy shit. We're gonna kill him here. What do you think, Cold? What do you think? Shoot him!
Hey, oh shit, Ro.
Ro! Nice shooting, guys. Oh, it's getting dirty up top with the snows, but we're here to shoot lessers. Figured it out. Dude, those Rossies up top.
Yeah.
Dude, I kind of want to wait and see what happens with those. Some darks way in the front.
Yeah.
Hey, up front, look at him with one.
Watch this mini pod on top.
Yep. They're gonna want to get back in this. Oh my god. Do we call it on 3 snows? Shoot him up top! Shoot him up top! Nope, it didn't. What'd Ro get? Oh. Heel! Dude, it's so dirty, but they're just not getting right.
Oh, here comes a group over the trees.
Oh, yeah. him on the left, you guys get him. Oh, right here. Flag hard. Shoot him on the right, you guys shoot him on the right. Nice. Was that you, Eric, or Randy? Here. Hey, sometimes it works out. Hey, come here, row, heel. Hey, row. I see one way out there. I'm gonna send row on him. So all in all, it's a pretty good hunt. We had some pretty good flocks do it early, and then it sort of fell off as the sun got higher and higher. But the guys had fun. We killed, I'd say, about 20-something birds. I'll take that any day of the week, especially with a bunch of snows around. So we're just gonna keep her rolling and see how tomorrow goes.